This is Himanshu Keshri, the Societies Officer of UCL for the academic year 2023-24. I think the inspiration behind me becoming a leader traces back to my childhood days. When I was in my school, I was also the head of the student council, and that motivation and drive carried up until now. So I decided to give back to the society and to the different communities at UCL, under whose presence I think I've enjoyed the best college life experience. So it's kind of an impact of giving back, and that has been always be with me. I think inclusivity is quite important in today's world. And as a leader, if we are not inclusive, I think we will harm not only ourselves, but also the institution that we represent, be it UCL, SU here in this case. My younger self would either be faint, like hearing this opportunity as a student union officer at UCL. I was like, I would go crazy. But honestly, I would be quite grateful to the opportunities here and quite passionate about the impact that I've had. I would say the best thing is about the people you meet here. It's about the experience and the ideas and the diversity of ideas that you meet here, be it about 100 plus nationalities that is represented at UCL or your friends get together. My younger self would still say that it is always the process, never the destination that makes you wiser. So enjoy the process. I think the best skills that I gained from being a leader is to appreciate you are also a person with its own imperfections. You can never be a chocolate for everybody. So when you make decisions, when you make choices in life, howsoever crucial, you might not impact everybody at the same time. Somebody will always be unhappy, but we should appreciate the idea that we at least have made someone's life much better than it was before. So the idea of leaving back a legacy is that you leave back a legacy that is much better than what was given to you so that you continue with the journey forward. I would say that my nomination time was quite a fierce celebration of election at UCL. So for example, if you have 50,000 of students and 10,000 students voting for you, you recognize the power of how much elections can affect you. But I would still say nomination has been a good celebration of who you are, why the change you want to bring in the communities here at UCL. But I would still say that if you want a little challenge in life, nominate yourself. It would be one of the fun experiences you would have here. I think the last piece of advice that I would just give to every student leaders who want to nominate themselves would be that just be you. Being yourself would be the best outcome that you would know about yourself and the journey forward. All the best.